beautifuls, welcome back to Nana Reads. Today, as promised, I'm going to do a special edition. So today I promised that I'm going to open up some boxes that I've had for a while. Just kind of collecting dust so that way y'all can see it and see what kind of goods I found for me. So the first box I kind of features on my Instagram. See, it's and you can see it, but it's from Oh My Sunshine Night. See what it is. Woo! Look at this! Look at how nice this tumbler is. Look at it, it's so fancy. This is so much fun. Oh, I love this bubble wrap stuff. Okay, so that was package number 1. This is my first time being go. Oh, and I got this big ass box. I don't remember what it is that I got in this box. So we're just gonna check it to see what I got. I mean, I have scissors, so I don't know why it's so difficult for me. So let's use scissors. Let's be smart now. Another box! It's a box inside the box. Oh. I don't know if it's going to be anything. Here we go. Here is the box. And here's the opening. Right, there's another box. There was nothing inside it, guys. More bubble wrap. Oh. Alright. And, yeah. Oh! I got like that. Oh, I know what this must be. This must be. Oh, okay. This must be for the doll. I got coupons and and I think these are for the girl. I don't know. Maybe. I didn't know I had to do that. I guess that makes sense though, because it's like more money, I guess. So then I got a bigger thing. What's in here? I wonder what's in here, guys. More ASMR. Really loud. Look how cute! Oh my god, this is a freaking goal. It's so cute. Skin, obviously. And look at the little poopa. Look at the little. Even the border frame for me. How cute! He's fluffy. Ah, that's horrible. I enjoy it. I got my bag, buddy, postcard. This is I also do. It would not be good to be on YouTube. You guys want to enjoy that? Or maybe it would be, right? I don't. It's happening, guys. Something is happening. This is gonna happen. Believe in it. I always confused it, and I would say Bad Bunny, like Bad Bunny, like the megaphone singer, but it's not. But that's not. And like everyone needs to get the phone. Oh, like I have a whole picture. Oh, these are fine. That's cool. I have Pat is Pat, but it's signing my own. I didn't know these were gonna be fine. Oh, just some of them. I'm lucky. And then there's this Tran or Manon. That's actually pretty neat. I didn't know I was gonna get fine one. And then I just got the regular rugby. I didn't know anything about. Well, they're holding football. Is it rugby or football? Can you hold a rugby ball and a football? Is that the same thing? If you guys know anything about either sport, please comment down below and tell me if you use a football to play rugby. I don't know. So, these are nice. Together. There's a lot of postcards in here. Photo cards. These are so cool. If you don't send these in the mail. General knowledge provided by man. High school. Oh, these are the cute little Polaroid pictures. This is the promo one, I think, from the posters. That show really took me for a ride. Like, I was not expecting this to be a series of videos, and I felt pretty good. It's actually a pretty good show. I wasn't expecting that much of it. It's actually really good. I mean, you know, for a college show. I don't know, it was really good. I liked it a lot. And then there's this great this year with my favorite. He's been my favorite for a long time. I think Jim MTV is doing him to be perfect. I think you know. But that's neither here nor there, and I'm not here. Please do not ask me. Anyway. So yeah. Oh, hey, so here's a cool thing that I could do. If you make a comment, like the first person to comment on the video, will get I'll give you these two postcards. I have to give them to you together. In the US, please. Not familiar with international shipping as of yet, but if you guys make if the first comment, or maybe not the first, but if you guys leave a comment and a like and screenshot it and DM me on Twitter, then you guys then who the luckiest person will get these pieces in the mail. Regular mail. I don't make any money to send it expedite, but I will send you these books as a gift because I now have 54 stuff. I know that's a lot. I mean that's a lot considering I've only been here for like 2 weeks maybe, like what? It's been less than a month, so that's pretty interesting. And, for fun and things. And then there's one more thing here. Look at this, guys! Who are these sexy people? Is it Mix and Earth? Like I opened up the Mix box and like randomly. They came in all of this. Okay, let's open this up so we can look at it. Really good. I mean, it's good that it's like nicely wrapped with like cellophane. It doesn't get really long away from Thailand to the US. But hopefully I'm always worried that I'm gonna get scratched. I'm not the gentlest person. So really, like opening it and opening things is like very tough. It's very worried. I don't know if people do. Some people do. My mic is off. That's the difference. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Look at that. Oh, Gravity, the official photo book of Earth. Let's take a look and see some pictures. Oh, these are nice. Just looking at them first and not doing it. Oh, that's so cool. They have translated into English. That's really nice. Because most of the time they don't, and so, they usually look at the pictures, but this time they have, like, I guess, interview questions. I'll show you what I am talking about. I'll show you actually some. So this is the first cover page. I don't know if this one was done by, I know he's an artist, like I know he makes paintings and stuff, but I wonder if that's it. Well, no, so maybe I'll show you. This is very nice. This is very fancy. This is like one of the nicest photo books I've ever done. I have like 2 photo books. I have a Boon Friend one, and then I have the UWMA photo book. I can show you guys that. I think I showed it once. If you guys want to see it again, just comment down below, and then I'll take it out. It's in my room. I was going to show you again. It's very hardy. Like, it's very hardy. There's oh, so yeah, so here's what I mean. You can't really see it, but there's writing up on top. And the first part is in Thai, but then the second one down below is in English. Which I think is pretty cool because, like I said, they don't really typically do that. And so it's pretty awesome that they do. So that was my box that I had been not opening for like the longest. Oh, and I did buy a new book. So the book that I bought, and hopefully I will get to read it at some point, is called Lore and Lust. So it's about a gay vampire. So I think this would be good. I'm not sure, but I read the synopsis and it seems really interesting. So the synopsis is this is a little blurb on top because the slow burn vampire romance you didn't know you needed. Hirano is alive, but not quite living. Surviving, but not thriving. As an elite, purebred vampire, in the 21st century, he is broken, content in his subpar existence. He is done with life, but life is not finished. And when he receives a formal request to oversee an antiquated vampire ritual at her own I'm probably French, and I probably did not pronounce it. Her grudgingly leaves his home. So, when he receives a formal request to oversee an antiquated vampire ritual at Haruka grudgingly leaves his home to meet another purebred. The vampire is not what he expects. True, he is unlike any vampire has ever encountered. Cautious, innocent, and with a warmth and gravitational pull. Lore and Lust is an exploration of cultures, contemporary society, and romance. It's a whimsical spin on traditional vampire lore, while also creating a vivid new world where love is not. No question. So, family navigator, or bisexual, or just a romance of everyone getting together and doing vampire things. Whatever those vampire things are, then that's what they're gonna do. So that's gonna be exciting. I actually can read one of these. I might just do it for the count. I don't know. Oh, and then today I got another parcel. We'll see what this is about. Let's see what's in here. I think this is a costume that I wanted. I'm pretty sure it is. I ordered this like a month ago, and it's just a month. I don't think it's going to be this one, but I can show you the wow, this is gonna be a challenge. I think this is gonna be like a 3% job or something to get me into it. Let's see. I'm gonna open it more again. It's on here. This is the over. Hanfu is actually very involved. So, I didn't apologize for this, but basically, what gets involved is, so usually, and I didn't know this until I thought it was a long costume. So, there's undershirt, so that one has a little one, so that one is for the women, I guess. But like, it's an undershirt, and then it's like another overshirt, and then you get the sleeves, like part of the sleeve, and then you get the thing on top, Oh, and then you have wearing a skirt. So sometimes, like, no, so the skirt goes on the bottom and then the overcoat on top. So you're actually wearing about maybe, I don't know, depending on every outfit, but for Salon, his costume is like it's like four different pieces. So there's like the underpants, the skirt, the undershirt, then the robe, the long sleeve, and then the over robe. And then it came with a hat, but I don't wear the hat on video because it's a lot. But yeah, they're quite complicated. Oh, and then the belt. So there's two belts. So there's one white belt, and then there's like this gray one with the ribbons. So that so that so I don't know, but I'm gonna wear them because that's what I decided to do. So, but anyway, that was it for all the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good day wherever you are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Leave your comments down below if you for those postcards for that giveaway. So make sure that you do that. Also, if you I have a Discord if you would like to join. It is free. Hopefully we could get a community going in there. In case you don't have a Twitter or anything like that, I will leave all my stuff for you to follow. If you want any of the books or any of the or if you're wanting to buy Heaven's Official Blessing for yourself, you can do so on Amazon. My links will be down in the description box. Anyway, I hope you have a great, wonderful day, and see you all later. Bye. I got caught in